Here's the hard truth. Most companies claim to care about their customers, but the moment something goes wrong, they'd rather not listen. Complaints get brushed off, buried, or passed around without real resolution. And that is a huge missed opportunity because every complaint is feedback and growth waiting to happen. Hi, I'm Ejieme Eromosele. I'm a customer growth strategist and revenue expansion leader with 20 years of driving growth through customer retention, revenue expansion, and team leadership. In this course, I'll cover the risks of ignoring customer feedback, how to turn complaints into loyalty and strategy, and how to get your team on board with managing customer issues. Are you ready? Let's dig in.